Hello everyone, it's Austin Bruce here with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showcasing the Skylight Premium 2-piece hardcase suitcase set from Aldi. Found a suitcase here at Aldi. It's called a Skylight suitcase. The dimensions are as stated. The carry-on 56 by 38 by 23 and the checked baggage is 76 by 49 by 30. This suitcase comes with a bag, a carry-on bag, and a checked bag. They both feature a top and side carry handle, 4x double spinner wheels, an expandable main compartment on the large case, and the most important thing is a TSA combination lock on the large case and the small case. This is the lock instructions for small case, TSA lock instructions for large case. This is a suitcase over here. This is a checked bag right here, the checked luggage. This checked baggage has a size of 76 by 49 by 30 centimeters and is 4.5 kilograms. It opens up like this, and then you get the carry-on bag inside here. The carry-on bag also has wheels. It's got a TSA lock, a side handle, by the way, I bought the Skylight luggage set from Aldi for $100, and it also comes with a 1-year warranty. Warranty certificate, you can see it on the bottom, 1-year warranty. And thank you for watching this video.